Urvi Bachchan Pandey talks about Akshay Kumar, who is a criminal, and he was a gullible man once upon a time. He was in love with Janila D'Souza, but since she was murdered by some notorious gang, he turned into a very wicked kind of person, and his main mission was to terrorize the populace and even undergo killings and all that. So there is one female. She is a choreographer and a filmmaker, and she actually wanted to picturize him, cast him in a movie on the real life. So she had to, along with Arshad Varsi, they both reached Kriti Sonan and Arshad Varsi. They reached the place where they could have a face-to-face interview, tete-a-tete with the criminal, with Akshay Kumar, and then the real fun began, because he was actually getting trained in acting, and sometimes he used to actually get into the role, and once she retorted that acting is not your cup of tea, so he got very angry and he brought the producer. He handcuffed him and he was brought in the back of the car. You can say he was actually kidnapped, and that was a hilarious part. And he had a lot of other gang members, like one was Pratik Babbar, but he was playing game with him, so he was eventually killed. So the movie biopic was made on him, but she had actually a few of the scenes she deleted, and he was portrayed as a nice man, and when he saw his own movie he was angry. He was full with he was agitated, since he wanted everyone to fear him. But after watching the movie, people actually made fun of him. They were laughing in the theater, and he actually got very aggravated, agitated, and he was triggered. And there was one small girl who actually came for the interview after watching the movie, and the same girl had come before. She was very much afraid of him. Then even his mother gave a lesson to him, that your behavior should be such that no one should fear you, and respect should come, you should earn respect, not out of fear. So he actually changed his persona, and he you can say he embraced a new self, since he was a good man basically. So the movie is very entertaining. Pankaj Tripathi has enacted the role of the coach. He used to coach people in acting, and there were many of the hasyaras, like laughter. How do we portray that? Then so many of other, like when you are angry, how do you do? When you are sad, when you are despondent, when you are elated, when you are horrified, when you are disgusted. So it's a must-watch, very entertaining, 5 stars.